Bourbon and Guns. We're doing a matchup here between Knob Creek 9 Single Barrel Reserve 120 proof, okay? Thank you to Brian Neely for sending this sample. Knob Creek number 9, 120 proof, okay? I think I've had that in the past, but I don't remember. Against old Russell's Single Barrel Reserve 110 proof. Why do these match up good? Well, number one, 120 proof, 110 proof. A little bit of difference there, but they're both single barrel reserves. So let's see what Knob Creek, a Jim Beam product, against a Wild Turkey Russell's Reserve product. Let's see how they stack up against each other, okay? Number one. Boy, that has a very nice sweet note to it. Very honey note. Wow. Very creamy right off the bat. Very honey caramel with a nice spicy finish. Still finishing. That's actually pretty good. Number two. Number one was actually very tasty. Don't get a lot on the nose on this one. No, a nice spicy finish, but not a lot in the middle. Not a lot there. A little bit of oaky, but just not a lot of nice stuff there in the middle. Let me go through these again. Okay, guys. So as I went through them again, number two actually had these nice sweeter notes as I went through it again. But number one just has these nice creamy oaky notes with a nice spicy finish. It was just better. Okay, neither one were bad, but number one was just better. So I'm calling number one the winner. Russell's Reserve. So apparently this bottle, after it's oxidized a little bit, it must be getting better, I guess, because I didn't care for it when I first opened it. So might be a good experiment there to come back and try this again later, but it's actually pretty good. So Russell's Reserve. Russell's tastes like a warm summer day.